Preparing a meal that is both satisfying and, of course, delicious in your very own kitchen would be ideal, right? Well, here at Sci Guy Cooks, we have a great meal for you with smothered chicken and garlic brown butter sauce. So let's get cooking. First up, let's prepare the rice. Feel free to use your favorite rice. Now let's cook the corn pepper sauté. Feel free to use your favorite bell peppers. Next up, the chicken breast. Chicken thighs are a great alternative. Let's make the brown butter. Brown butter, or beurre noisette, originated in French cuisine. Brown butter was prepared in dairy-rich regions like Normandy and Brittany, France. Brown butter was primarily used in savory dishes such as fish, vegetables, omelets, and chicken. Over time, brown butter crossed over into pastry and baking, becoming a key ingredient in French treats like madeleines and financiers. Brown butter is now used worldwide in items such as cakes, cookies, and of course banana bread. Now let's make the sauce. Let's build the dish. Grab a chicken breast or two. Place it next to this amazing fluffy rice. And finally, the colorful corn pepper sauté. And this dish is ready to enjoy. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, tender, juicy chicken breast drenched in rich garlic brown butter sauce is pure comfort food bliss. The fluffy rice is a perfect side dish. Corn pepper sauté rounds out this dish perfectly. You and your guests will absolutely love it. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's the dish you'll be proud to make and serve. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.